Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new to my channel. In today's video we're gonna do what I got for my 24th. So yeah, this vlog I want to show you guys what I got for my birthday and then a bit of birthday vlog, even though I did not really vlog that much. Cheers! Dun-dun. How's it? Strong, but I like it.
Korean song? Well, can you not do search on here? No. Here you go. Hello.
We're gonna sing a song called Leave the Door Open for no one.
I thought it said simple. Oh, what you do?
What you say?
Where you at?
Where you at? You got friends?
Go to that. For what?
Tell me that you got me through.
100!
Woo!
You guys are actually good at singing voice.
Been 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweet heart of yours.
59! They're saying that you guys need to practice.
That works.
We're at karaoke for Tinsley's birthday. 24.
Oh, no. 18.
No. I like it. I like it. Really? No, because it's not like some powder. I just don't like the powder. It's blended with the butter or cream and everything. Oh my gosh, that is so good. We got a mini chocolate.
I like this too much better.
Yeah, I think like this.
This October I turned 24, which is crazy, even though I did not really vlog that much. But yeah, I just want to show you guys how I spent my 24th birthday. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First off, I don't know where to start with. First of all, I got this curling gift set. I've been wanting a curler for the longest time, and yeah, I got this from Kmart. And then this comes with the mermaid hair and the curling style. This one has two heads. I got this for myself unintentionally. I was going through Kmart and then I just thought this was so cute, and it's also pink. So ta-da! This is the body. Put it on like this, easy peasy. This is the other head, and it's so cute. The best part is you can change the heads like, and you're done. And next we have ta-da! I lost my AirPods ages ago and I've never bothered to buy another one. But yeah, I got one for my birthday. Ta-da! Let's do the satisfying unboxing. There we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then we have regular stickers and everything here. And then this, I already opened it, but this is from Becky. It's a, ta-da! It's a baby pink Frank green bottle. Perfect. This is my current drink bottle and it's beaded up like. And this is what I got for my birthday. Yay! So cute. I love it. Thank you, Becky. And then she also got me Glasson's gift card. Ta-da! If you guys don't know, I love Glassons. This is where I shop most of the time. Most of my clothes are from Glassons. So yeah, me, Becky, and Olivia, we went out for birthday dinner and then both of them spoiled me so much. This is from Olivia. First of all, a card, beautiful card. And it says happy birthday Tenzin at the back. I've already read the card, so I'll just show you guys. Ta-da. This candle is called Vanilla Caramel. Oh, it smells so sweet. It smells like caramel, exactly. Olivia also bought me a Glasson's gift card. Ta-da! Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna go Glasson's shopping and yeah. Comment down below if you guys want to see a Glasson haul. Thank you guys. Ta-da! This is from Ugin. We work together. She bought me those cute bangles from Lovisa. Yeah, I love bangles and this is what I bought for myself. These are the ones that she got me. I'm actually gonna put them on. I'm gonna do mix and match and I'm just gonna... Thank you again. Myself, matcha. If you guys don't know, I am obsessed with matcha. Never made it myself at home. I always buy it outside. So that's why I thought I'll start making matcha at home. Also ordered a matcha set where I can make it myself. And this is the matcha powder that I got today. It's from T2. Yeah, I also got red pockets from my friends and family. Thank you guys so much for all the money. And yesterday I went shopping. It's not exactly a birthday gift, but I'm just gonna show you guys anyway. I went to Cotton On, light blue and white pajama pants that I can wear outside as well with the tank top. Yeah, Cotton On was having sale, so it was all $10, which is very cheap. And then I got this hoodie for $10. It's such a good deal. And this is also a Blackpink merch. Ta-da! This is a zip-up hoodie from Cotton On. I got another hoodie just for $10. And it's also Blackpink. I bought this cardigan. That will go perfect on jeans. Something simple, something basic, but yeah, it's really cute. From Glassons, I got this jeans. It wasn't on sale. It was quite expensive, but yeah, I got this black washed denim. And yeah, my brother got this plushie for me. I basically forced him to buy this for me. You can put your hands from both sides. And yeah, I also bought this skirt from a thrift shop. I really like it. And yeah, that's everything that I got for my birthday. And this year I did not really do much shopping because I wasn't really in a mood to do anything. But yeah, that's it for my today's vlog. If you guys enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and yeah, I am officially 24. I cannot believe it. I feel so old. Just kidding. I honestly don't feel like 24 at all. I don't know if it's the same with everyone, but yeah, genuinely I don't feel like 24. Anyways, see you guys in my next video. Bye. Last but not least, I want to thank everyone who took their time to wish me on my birthday, and then of course to everyone who bought me gifts and everything. Thanks for making me feel so loved. I am really grateful. I really appreciate all of this from my today's video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.